for the following counties in New York: Jefferson, Lewis, and Oswego. Blizzard warning in effect from 7 a.m. Thursday to 4 p.m. Friday. What blizzard conditions expected? Total snow accumulations of 3 to 4 feet across the Tug Hill Plateau and 1 to 2 feet for surrounding lower elevations. Winds gusting as high as 50 to 60 miles per hour will result in severe blowing and drifting snow. Where? The eastern Lake Ontario region. When? From 7 a.m. Thursday to 4 p.m. Friday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. Areas of blowing snow will produce near zero visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the morning and evening commutes Thursday and Friday. Strong winds could cause some tree damage and scattered power outages. Repeating, a blizzard warning has been issued from 7 a.m. Thursday until 4 p.m. Friday for the following counties in New York: Jefferson, Lewis, and Oswego. The following is a winter weather message